Hello everyone, I'm here with the storage box for cards, boxes, and bows. I can never say that in one shot. That's pretty funny. Anyway, really cute storage box. This one is using the one of the Prima hardware closures. It's loose on here now. I have to do the glossy accents thing, but I wanted to show you this box before I went ahead and glue those on. So it opens up like this. So you got two pieces to the box. And here what you got is a little bit of an organizational style box where you can put your pen here, can put some a stamp booklet, stamp roll, whatever you want. It's a nice generous size. You can also use it for two sides, have the cards in the front and the envelopes in the back if you wanted to do that, or vice versa. All right, the one in the front is a little bit larger than the one in the back. So if you were to do a gift set of the sack style send it forward cards, and the acetate envelopes will go in the front, or however you want to organize it, guys. But this one is just really, really nice. Again, the two compartments, as you see them, are right there for your card. So it makes it the perfect gifting, giftable. Not just cards, but you have the storage box as well. How cute to make a card kit with this box. You can put a little stamp here, your blank cards and your envelopes back here, and a pen if you want to. All right, I'm talking about those pre-made cards if you wanted to do something like that. So really sweet on the box, guys. I hope you love it. That you can also leave this on your desk like this if you wanted to, and omit the lid if that's what you wanted to do, if you had a set of special cards or some go-to cards that you have all the time, perhaps a monogram set that you typically send for a thank you. You can also do that. Put your stamps here and your favorite pen, and you can leave that on your desk. And all you have to do is grab your card, send your little thank you note, and send it off. All right. So again, it closes up like this. It's got a really nice lip right here, which allows the box to close perfectly. And I had a little faux pas there. So I'm thinking of putting these absolutely adorable bows on here. That's what I'm thinking of doing. They're just so cute. I love them so much. I have another one somewhere around there. So I'm thinking of putting my little bows on there, or actually this way maybe. We'll see, or I'll probably wind up putting a brad. These may be too big for what I'm thinking. But really sweet on the box. The videos are already uploaded to the project folder. I hope you love it. A lot of fun on this project. Enjoy it. Go check out the videos. This is Kathy with Paper Phenomenon, and until next time.